But I'll say some strategies, especially for cold calling. The Pomodoro Technique, right? Which is you do 25 minutes of calling, 5-minute break. You can do 35 minutes of calling, 7-minute break. 5 minutes, a 10-minute break. Whatever, however you want to split it, because it can be mentally draining. It can be down. It can bring you down sometimes. But just hit it hard, and it kind of even starts to motivate you. When you have your timer and you get a bad call, you say, okay, in the next 10 minutes, I'll be off the phone. Okay, in the next 20 minutes, I'll be off the phone. And you still keep going. Then that 10 minutes go, and then you take your break and you get right back on it and just track your numbers. You know, what gets measured gets accomplished. You know, so you got to see where you are, what your number is, and then you no longer focus on the conversations. You just focus on the contacts. And I don't mean contacts in, hello, can I speak to Jane Doe? And they say, oh, wrong number. That's not a contact. I don't count those. If I were to count those, my number would be a lot higher. I only count, can I speak to Jane Doe, the owner of the property on 123 Main Street? And they say, yes, this is me. And then I introduce myself. Sorry, I'm not interested. That's a contact because I spoke to the homeowner. That's what I measure as contact. Some people go to the store and they see somebody there. They give them a business card. I'm a real estate agent, and they mark it down. Oh, I spoke to 10 people today. Those people are not trying to buy a house. That's not a contact. It's good to like share your business card or your QR code, whatever it is. But for me, a contact is somebody that's willing and looking to buy or sell a property. Whether they go with me or not, doesn't matter. They are a contact. I write them down. I have a certain amount of number that I know once I hit this number, I get a listing appointment. And it's just a matter of time, and it's a numbers game. What more can I say?
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.